today I have this wig sent to me from Beautyforeverhair. They sent over their 250% straight lace frontal wig unit, and I am going to show you guys how I applied this wig today. And we're going to go ahead and start off with the packaging. So if you guys know Beautyforeverhair, they comes in this simple box, you guys, you know, regular normal stuff. Comes with the wig cap, and it also comes with a adjustable strap which you can sew into your wig yourself, and it also comes with like a comb where you can like place it, I guess maybe in the back maybe. But anyways, I did not bleach this wig unit today. I wanted to bleach the knots, but you know, your girl was pressed for time and I need to get this video out, so I did not go and bleach the knots. But I'm showing you guys where the combs are. There's 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and it also comes with an adjustable strap. And the wig fit perfectly, you guys. So I'm coming to you guys putting the wig on my dome head, and I got this from off of Amazon. If you guys need one, you can get it off Amazon. Mine is a 22-inch dome head. But anyways, I'm just pressing the hair out. You guys, this hair was very full, like at the roots. It was so full, like I had to like make sure that the hair was laying. Like it was a lot of hair. Like this is definitely a 250% density wig, and I hope you guys could tell by like the pictures and the video and stuff like that this hair is very full. Like it was so full at the roots of the hair. I had to really like finesse it. So I'm just gonna let this video play out for you guys so you guys could see how I applied this wig unit. Here's the wig right here, and I had to kind of like straighten it out, pressed it out, and you know, did what I have to do. But it's so full, you guys. Like definitely worth the money for this wig. It's super full. And I'm using the Supreme Ghost Bond. You guys can find this off Amazon as well. And I'm sorry I did not come with the lace attached, but I tried to do the method where you only use the blasting spray, the got to be blasting spray, but that did not work. I was like, I am not telling my subscribers to do this, especially when it ain't even working out for me. So that's why it looks like it's old. But before this, I tried to do the got to be blasting spray method only, and yeah, that didn't work. So we had to use this Ghost Bond Supreme to put this wig unit on. But yeah, I'm just gonna let this video play out, and I hope you guys enjoy.